All is well. Really? We rob more and more from nature and not care for the consequences. More farms to grow crops to feed us, digging land for mines, wood for furniture, construction, fuel, paper, etc. Forests are hacked in the name of industrialization, modernization and urbanization. We have become greedy, and in our greed for a better lifestyle, we have taken nature for granted. Thousands of plants and animals and local cultures are vanishing. Vast forests lost forever. Life as you know, it will change forever. With no trees, the carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere cannot be converted to oxygen naturally. You will need to buy oxygen to survive. Your pet dog will be lazy and may not want to play with you anymore. Birds and butterflies will be a thing of the past. Beautiful flowers will not be there. Life-saving drugs for cancer and heart disease will all be gone. Things that you take for granted will become scarce. Without trees, global warming will increase. Most affected by all this change, children and older population. Yet you feel that all is well, all is not well. You think someone else will take care of all this? After all, it is you who will have to live in a treeless toxic world in your own lifetime. Every year, millions of trees are cut down to make paper. 1 million tons of paper is used every day. Most of it is used and wasted. Are you recycling the paper you use daily? Yes? How? What do you do with the waste paper in your house? Sell it to the Raddiwala thinking you've done your bit? And the Raddiwala is selling it to the mills that recycle paper? Wrong! This is what he does. He sells back the paper in the market for higher profit. The paper is then soiled and cannot be recycled again. If recycled right, 1 ton of paper saves 17 trees, 7,000 gallons of water, 2 barrels of oil, 4,100 kilowatt hours of electricity. Approximately 80% of paper is recycled in Western countries, but in India, only 26% of the total paper is recycled. The remaining 74% of paper gone, and with it an equal number of trees, forever. Don't live in a myth. Recycle right. Every house that buys newspapers accumulates 3 to 5 kilos of paper every month. 54 kilos of paper saves 1 tree. 1 tree gives lifetime supply of oxygen for 3 people. Do the math. Are you willing to make a difference? Start a revolution. Newspapers can be recycled, magazines can be recycled, old books that you no longer want to read again can be recycled, old homework copies can be recycled, printer paper can be recycled. Join the Hindustan Paper Recycling Project. We buy paper from you and sell it to paper recycling factories. We buy all kinds of used paper. And unlike the Raddiwala, we use a precise digital scale. The Raddiwala cheats with his weighing scale while ours is transparent, and we pay for the entire amount right down to the last 2 decimal places. Some of the people who support us, environmental issues are close to my heart. The time to act is now. Priyanka Chopra. I am very happy to know that Hindustan is using recycled paper for their printing. It is a commendable initiative. Shri R.K. Pachauri. I am pleasantly surprised to know that Hindustan is using recycled paper for their printing. Deepika Padukone. I admire and congratulate Hindustan for their paper recycling initiative. I sincerely hope that other newspapers also follow the trend set by Hindustan. Shri Jairam Ramesh. Help save paper and become a champion of the environment. Tell your family, your friends and neighbors. When you sell paper to us, you save trees. The next time you want to sell paper, contact us at 92354 12353, 92354 12354, 92354 12355, SMS RC2 54242.